how's it going, ladies and gentlemen? It's a beautiful day for a 360. I don't need to turn around to do a 360 because I probably just got you so dizzy. The sun is 2. My 2 o'clock position. Always give all this information. I'm in 4K at 24 frames per second. I will use Action Director. And I don't want to make this super long because it's going to take 3 hours to edit an 8.5 chapter. Power Director 16 Ultimate is on sale. Cheaper than an upgrade. Oh man, I'm so tempted to get it. It's $5 cheaper, $52. It may not offer just one particular item. I'm not upset, but it offers you Color Director Ultimate for double the price. I hardly ever use it, so I don't need it. It does 360, but the older version doesn't do it. That's the only difference. They added a patch. So why not just give us the patch? I don't know. Sunshine Parrots, 2 o'clock, upstairs, in the trees. Oh, you missed them. You can still see them. Well, short walk and talk in 360. I'm so tempted waiting for Cyberlink to get back to me, see if they want to sponsor me once again. If not, Christmas 20. I think it's spelled XMAX20. Check it out. You'll find it online. The 80% code. Have a great day. Is it 80? Maybe 75% this time around. And I see you guys in the next 360 Walk and Talk.